Bob from Bob's Workshop. In 1977, Lionel teamed up with Disney to offer the Mickey Mouse Express. At that time, it was just a few boxcars, a diesel locomotive, and a caboose. This caboose. I like this caboose a lot, but I decided that I could make another one in addition to the Mickey Mouse Express. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I repainted a donor caboose and made my own decals. So now there are two Mickey Mouse Express cabooses? What's the plural of caboose? I have two of them now, whatever the plural is. So here is my version. It's the 2024 Mickey Mouse Express Caboose by Bob's Workshop.
A Lionel high cube boxcar is just about perfect for a custom decal project. It comes apart easily, and the large rectangular spaces on either side of the sliding door, well, they're just begging for new graphics. Another good choice for customizing would be a caboose like this one. It's a later model of an older design, but unlike the original, this one has smoother sides without the heavy horizontal belt line, and it also has many, many fewer rivets. A screw at either end holds the shell to the base. It also happens to be the title of a movie I made in the late 1980s when I was a struggling actress in Los Angeles. Fast forward 40 years, and now I'm making videos about trains. And even now, the top still comes off without much prompting. Wet sanding with 600 grit paper will help to ensure that the outline of the old graphics doesn't show up through the new paint or the new decals. A little scrubbing with Dawn dishwashing detergent and an old toothbrush cleans it all up, and then it's time for the paint shop. 1977 marked the introduction of the Mickey Mouse Express, and 6 more boxcars were added in 1978. From that catalog, I was able to scan a decent image of the graphics, and then it was just a matter of combining new elements to create the decals. If it weren't for the drying time needed between the 2 new colors, this project could have been done in 1 day. Even the clear coat sprayed on the inkjet decals, well, that was dry in less than an hour. The whole thing came apart easily and then went back together in just the same way. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this has been Bob's Workshop. Take care.